What's going on, guys? Today I'm working on this Chevy Express 205. For some reason the truck will not start, right? So while I was trying to crank it up, there was a smoke coming out from here. I don't know what's going on. So I've actually replaced this. I got a new one in there. So now I'm gonna give it a shot to see what actually is wrong and why the smoke is coming out from the block right there. So although I have all this currently disconnected, so I'm gonna see if I have sparks coming out. So I'm gonna test them one after the other. So maybe it's the spark plug, but I don't know. Just go along with me, guys. So guys, since I opened the block itself, so what I'm gonna do right now, all these I'm gonna connect them back and see what the van is doing right now, and I want to know where the spark is coming from. I want to try now. Let's see. Okay, let me see. Maybe it's the battery. Let's try to jump the battery, guys, because I'm not getting any. So guys, what I did, what I did now, I went to AutoZone real quick just to get a different distributor and see maybe that's a problem. So, and I want to give it a shot. Hopefully it start now. It's giving me a sign that you want to start, so maybe the distributor is the problem, because I just replaced that just now. So I'll give it some gas. So I think it's the distributor is the problem. So I'm gonna put the car back on and start it again and see what it does after that. So guys, I've put this back together now. So now I haven't coupled the distributor yet, so I just want to make sure the van starts. So we're gonna give it a shot. So it starts. So it's actually the distributor that's the problem. So now we're back up and running again, guys. We're back up and running. Guys, if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe, like, and comment. So if your Chevy Express doesn't start, first and foremost, you check the distributor cap to make sure you're getting enough sparks from the spark plug, and also check out these all as well. So I changed both of them, and now the van starts. So guys, please like, share, and I'll see you in the next one.